Everybody that's popping up on my ghost radar is like over here.
Did you get the knocking back there?
Yeah, you heard it.
I was
yeah.
back here for a while.
Yeah, you could hear. You just hear knock every now and then.
Be nice, Jade.
Oh, you're fine.
John, did you ever
She's a
find
wiggle
out?
butt.
No, I did not talk to anybody.
Okay.
I see you had what? What was the name? Will.
Well, the name Tim and Will, it keeps popping up regularly.
Huh.
I got Will over here just a minute ago.
It wasn't no longer than probably 5 minutes after you left. I had a shadow come right through this doorway. I thought it was Deb,
Yeah.
and Deb was still back there showing Lenny around. And it just walked right through, and
That'd be, yeah, I mean, we get the shadows up across, but most of the time you think it's a car or something out front, but to have it here would be,
yeah,
Wow.
I kind of caught that because I kept thinking I was seeing shadows back there, and I think it was cars going by that I was catching, going along the other, like lane 4 and 5.
Nathaniel. Man, I'm getting a lot of names.
well, you know.
Nathaniel. This place has been here forever.
Well, it was a rec center in 1940,
Oh,
in the
boy.
bowling alley and
Yeah.
then 61 or so is when the Ketch family bought it, kept it as a bowling alley. But I mean, it was Norwalk Rec Center from 40 to 61.
Oh my God.
Um,
This place was busy as hell.
But it's, you know, back in the heyday, in the 60s and 70s, when leagues were double shifts every night of the week, yeah, and they were all 5-man teams.
Yep.
So I mean, the amount of bowlers through those years, and if we're,
That was American Standard, man.
yeah, so a lot of these names could be guys that bowled in the leagues back then. Still wanting to bowl, have fun.
Oh yeah.
Who do you think is your enemy here?
When I first came in,
You haven't
I put
got-
stuff down up here at the bar and turned it on.
You didn't get that name, did you?
No.
I didn't look
No, I
behind
haven't
George.
seen. I haven't seen the word George come up yet.
I haven't either.
I sent my.
He's another one that was big into it, doing all kinds of stuff, and he died of cancer last year.
Shit.
But I mean, he only bowled for 3 years. He became bowler of the year. He was bowling in
Oh wow.
2-3 leagues, Southern. He was just threw his life into it, hey, he's sort of like the one the other night when I kept getting the name that I would think that would come back to here, you know.
Right.
There's
Well,
a
I'm
couple
guessing
of
there's
times
drinking
when-
that happens at this bar, because one of the words that came up on I put my board down there and turned it on, and we got drunk.
Yeah, I'm sure of that.
Well, I'm standing at a bar, so I can imagine you might be.
Yeah.
But no, I'm not. No.
So a couple of times when Deb has been by me,
Yeah.
it's come up, she's guilty. It came right across, so she is guilty. Then the last time she came up by me, it came up, she's an ugly wench.
Really? So that, I mean, that terminology's old.
Yeah.
Told you, I'm never liked by
Right.
spirits.
GoPro, stop recording.